feeling stuck, drained, unmotivated, or disconnected from life? This song suggests ways to solve this problem.
I've been stuck in my head too long. Days feel heavy, nights feel wrong. But I breathe in light, I breathe out slow. Take one small step, let the rhythm grow. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, that's how we begin. Tiny little moves start waking me again. Sun on my face, feet on the floor. I'm finding my spark, I'm opening the door. I rise, little by little I rise. One beat, one breath, one try. I move, even slower, still a move. I shine, sunlight pulling me back to life. I shine, sunlight pulling me back to life. And I call one heart that knows my vibe. I'm not alone, I'm coming alive. Drained and low, but I'm not done. Every small win counts as one. Shake off the weight, feel the groove inside. Momentum grows when the drums collide. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, that's how we begin. Tiny little moves start waking me again. Sun on my skin, rhythm in my chest. I'm finding my way, I'm doing my best. I rise, little by little I rise. One beat, one breath, one try. I move, even slower, still a move. I shine, sunlight pulling me back to life. I shine, sunlight pulling me back to life. And I call one heart that knows my vibe. I'm not alone, I'm coming alive. Step by step, I'm breaking through. Light in my body, truth in my groove. One voice I trust, one soul I choose. Together we rise, together we move. I rise, little by little I rise. I move, even slower, still a move. I shine, sunlight pulling me back to life. And I call one heart, them coming alive.
I can barely move out of this crater.
Then just stand up for exactly 2 minutes.
You always push my buttons, you sneaky genius.
Look at those twin suns soaking your skin.
The warmth is actually shocking my dead nerves.
Take one step toward the glowing crystal ridge.
I am feeling that secret spark return now.
We are conquering this entire galaxy together, babe.